Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to enable or disable or turn on or turn off the NumLock key in your keyboard. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please proceed at the best matched and please click on append to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. And since we're dealing with the enabling or disabling our numlock 10, by that we need to proceed with accessibility where we can see the keyboard. So this accessibility is being composed of three components or three categories, and that are vision, hearing, and interaction. So we need to proceed with interaction where we can see this one, which is keyboard. So click on it, and the moment you do it, you would be able to see a list of the options. Please proceed with on-screen keyboard and aligning to what you can see there an option called off if it's being off, and please turn it on. Okay, so this is a switch option where you can turn off or where you can turn on the on-screen keyboard. So the moment you have bring up the on-screen keyboard, please close the settings so that we can focus on this one. So from here, you would be able to see a list of keys and you need to proceed with this option called options key. Okay, so please click on it. And the moment you do it, you would be able to show up this options window where here you can see there turn on numeric keypad. So in order to enable the numeric keypad, please check the box, okay? And once you do that, when you click on OK, the numlock would be available for us, okay? So by here, you can use this in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So when you press on this, you won't be able to use your number keys since it's being here when you click on this. So let's say for example, if you would like to turn off or you would like to disable that. So by that, please navigate the same process, and that is to click on options, and this similar window would show up. Please uncheck the box which is turn on numeric keypad and please click on OK. And in that way, you won't be able to use the numlock key in your Windows 11 keyboard. Okay, so once you're good, close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.